Ever pondered over the complexities of importing goods from China, the USA, or Dubai to Pakistan? The labyrinth of customs, the endless paperwork, and the uncertainty of delivery can be daunting to navigate. Enter the solution, Express Cargo Service. This service is a game changer, revolutionizing the way you import goods, making it as straightforward as a walk in the park. Whether you're looking to bring in commercial items or household goods, our service has you covered. Our door-to-door service offers a seamless experience, whether you're importing by air or by sea. It doesn't just end at delivery, we go the extra mile to ensure that every step of the process, from customs clearance to the final delivery, is handled with the utmost care and efficiency. Say goodbye to the days of fretting over the safe arrival of your goods. Express Cargo Service's commitment to reliability and punctuality ensures your consignments reach their destination intact and on time. And what about the paperwork? Well, that's where we shine. Our team of experts handles all the complex documentation, leaving you stress-free. We manage the intricacies so you can focus on what really matters, your business or your home. But don't just take our word for it. Experience the ease and convenience of importing goods with Express Cargo Service. Remember, importing goods shouldn't be a chore. With Express Cargo Service, it becomes a breeze. So why wait? Give Express Cargo Service a try and transform the way you import goods today. Trust us, it's a decision you won't regret.